Writing or replying to messages is exhausting and slow. We type word by word constantly, second guessing your grammar, spelling, and sentence structure. And then, after all that effort, we end up copy pasting the whole thing into ChatGPT anyway to make it better. What if we could skip all that thinking, worrying, and copy pasting? What if we could just talk to an AI and it writes for you? A few weeks ago, I introduced AUXIS AI for Gmail and LinkedIn. It's a voice assistant that doesn't just dictate what you say, it actually listens to you, understand the context by reading your past conversations, figure out what you are trying to write, and then writes it for you. But this is just 1% of what I want to build. When I started this idea, the vision in my mind was to create a powerful software that understands your desktop and take actions on your behalf, like Jarvis. This is small but important first step toward the vision. A tool to help you write on desktop with your voice. Let me show you how it works. Let's start with LinkedIn. I'm going to reply to Atharva here, but I'm not going to tell it what to write. I will just say reply. Write a reply. It will automatically gather the context from our conversation and wrote a relevant message. I didn't have to explain anything. Now let's try Shivani. This time I will read the conversation a bit and I will tell exactly what to write. Write a message saying, "Thank you for sending the link. I will check it out and get back to you." When you want more control, you can give specific instructions and it will follow them perfectly. Now let's go to homepage and write a comment to one of the posts. Now this post is about boring startup metrics. Now let's write a comment to it. Write a comment. It reads the post, understands what's it about, and writes a relevant comment. Now let's switch to Gmail. Now I want to draft an email. Write an email to potential investor at Founders Inc. requesting a meeting. Nice, but let me add the investors' names to the draft. Investor's name is John. See, you can generate, refine, all with your voice. Now let's try to reply to an email that I got from an OpenAI. I will just say write a reply with no instructions. Write a reply. It will read the email, understood the context, and wrote the perfect reply. No copy pasting to ChatGPT, no typing, just talk to it. That's AUXIS AI. Write Gmail and LinkedIn messages 3x faster using your voice. It's free to try, and this is just the beginning. Thank you for your support.